To beat.
Beat, beat, beaten. Beat means to hit a person repeatedly and violently.
Beat also means to defeat someone in a game.
Our heart beats, and if it stops beating, we die.
Music has a beat, and this man is beating a drum.
This goalkeeper was beaten by a fantastic shot.
This boxer was beaten by a better boxer.
A pair of aces beats most hands in poker.
This boy got upset when his grandfather beat him yesterday.
She beats him in many ways.
They love watching their team beat other teams.
He beat all the other swimmers yesterday.
He's beaten them many times in his career.